An end to Utah's mask mandate is among several bills making movement on Capitol Hill during the final night of Utah's legislative session.
It has been a busy 45 days, and that's where Fox 13's Ben Winslow is once again tonight. Ben, tell us, what are lawmakers there on the Hill doing in these final hours of the session?
Well, lawmakers just passed a record budget, $23.5 billion. That's your taxpayer money at work here. That includes new money for education, big spending for infrastructure, a big boost in money for homelessness and affordable housing, and 2 new state parks. Now, teachers just got a bonus as a thank you from the legislature for working during the COVID-19 pandemic. And speaking of the virus, a controversial bill just passed along party lines in the Senate. It's been described as the COVID-19 endgame bill. Now, what it does is it lifts certain public health orders once thresholds are met regarding vaccinations, hospitalizations, and case counts. Now, the Senate just introduced an amendment to lift the statewide mask mandate by April 10th, and that has some lawmakers nervous.
We're still in the middle of a pandemic, so that's not over. Certainly, we're going to be making decisions based on science.
It's really, who would have thought when we were in the middle of this that we would even be able to offer such a bill that shows how we can exit and provide an end game to this.
Now, that bill goes back to the House, where they have to vote on whether they will agree with that amendment, adding that April 10th date to lift the statewide mask mandate. And then from there, if it passes, it goes to the governor for his signature or veto. We've still got a few hours left in the legislative session. And coming up on Fox 13 News at 9:30, I will be talking live with Governor Spencer Cox. We'll ask him about this and a lot of other bills. Live on the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.